Here's my preferred method, reloading a revolver with the Safariland Comp III Speedloader.
Positioning your index finger between two adjacent rounds on the Speedloader.
The technique takes advantage of the fact that the cylinders on all my revolvers have flutes. Index the thumb in the flute, bring the index finger to the thumb, press down on the pad until the index and forward.
Press down with the pad of the index finger to find the chamber holes.
By ensuring that your finger is between the rounds when you stow the Speedloader, when you come up and out, that's the way you're going to retrieve it.
Let's see how this technique actually works. Open cylinder and eject spent rounds using the thumb on the ejector rod. Retrieve Speedloader and insert into cylinder. Bring the index finger to the thumb in the cylinder flutes, down on the pad of your index finger, and insert. Close cylinder.